Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are a sourdough baker, then this is going to be your new best friend.
This 200 pack of disposable sink strainer bags from SooGree is going to save your sink. These are mesh sink filter bags, which pick up anything that you are washing off your dishes. You can just pop this right into your sink or around your strainer that's already there, and this really thin mesh will help prevent clogs and buildup. And these are good for not just sourdough bakers, but these are great for all kinds of kitchen messes. It is so much easier to be able to just pull these out and throw them away. They are completely disposable and mess free. It is the best kitchen cleanup hack that is out there. I especially love using it for sourdough cleanup because it's keeping that messy, sticky dough out of my pipes. And the 200 pack means I've got plenty to go around.
Don't let your sourdough ruin your pipes. Get these great little mesh strainers. You are going to be so happy that you did, and that's my point of view.